Hello traders. Have you ever found yourself confused about which symbol to trade? Or entered a trade only to see it go nowhere because the market has very low volatility? In this video, I will show you exactly how you can instantly identify which Deriv synthetic volatility index has the best movement to trade, and you can do this within a few seconds. So stay tuned and watch it till the end, because this technique will save you lots of time and money from trading dead markets and low probability setups. On this chart, I will add a custom indicator called Volatility Master available on MetaTrader. This indicator helps us quickly detect which symbols are currently having high volatility, making them suitable for trading. This Volatility Master indicator highlights symbols that have more than 30% volatility. Higher volatility means better trading opportunities, as the market tends to move faster and develop cleaner trends. Low volatility, on the other hand, indicates a slow or dead market, which is not ideal for trading, that you must avoid. Using its advanced calculations, this indicator highlights high volatility symbols within a blink of an eye. Here, you can clearly see that Volatility 50 1S and Volatility 75 1S are highlighted, showing volatility above 50%. Because of this strong movement, we will focus our trades on these two symbols. Note, these are 15-minute chart signals. By simply clicking on the symbol name directly from the indicator dashboard, you can instantly open the respective chart. Yes, with just one click, which makes execution extremely fast and efficient. First, Volatility 50 1S is showing a bullish signal. I will add another advanced and popular AI-powered trend indicator, Hydra Trend Rider. This indicator is capable of tracking multi-time frame trends for individual symbols and generating directional arrows on the current chart. Since the lower time frames are bullish and the 15-minute chart also confirms a bullish signal, I will now place a buy trade using the minimum permitted lot size. I can clearly see the market forming a series of higher highs, confirming the trend. Next up, Volatility 75 1S. This is showing a bearish signal. Following the same process, I will apply the Hydra Trend Rider on this 15-minute chart. Here again, all the lower time frames are bearish, and the 15-minute chart confirms this with a bearish entry arrow signal. Perfect. The market is forming a series of lower lows, so I will now place a sell trade. Now, both the trades are active. I will optionally add another indicator, as I like to tack all my live trades on a single dashboard with all the details I need. This indicator displays the daily profit and loss along with current live trade details. After holding the trades for about 10 minutes, both the trades are still in profit. Because of good volatility, profits can be achieved faster as the market moves more efficiently in stronger trends. Next, we perform a very important step, setting the stop loss and take profit for both the trades. For stop loss, I use the high or low of the previous two candles. For the take profit, I set a target close to twice the stop loss distance, maintaining a healthy risk-to-reward ratio. You can see the updated stop loss and take profit levels reflected clearly on this trade status dashboard. Pretty cool, right? So yes, this is the simplest, fastest, and most effective way to identify the best tradable Deriv volatility indexes using powerful indicators in a very short time. You can check all the indicators used in this video from the link provided in the video description below. So stop wasting your time and money in trading low volatility markets. It's time you equip yourself with the right tools and trade smarter. See you in the next video with more techniques and strategies. Happy trading!